It's a beautiful day at the AyuFlyu city. The mission to see the planets is a go. You're seeing the live footage of AyuFlyu reaching his launch pad. After leaving planet Earth, first stop on AyuFlyu's journey to see the planets is the International Space Station, where AyuFlyu will meet Peck. Now let's go live to AyuFlyu.
We are going for a space adventure. Get ready to go out of outer space. I'm gonna see every planet and moon.
AyuFlyu, are you excited? What planets will you be visiting today?
Mercury, Venus, Mars, Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus.
This is Control Center. All final checks are complete. We are go for launch.
Friends, did you know Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun? And most of planet Earth is made of water.
This is Control Center. AyuFlyu, you have now left Earth's atmosphere. Bon voyage. Make sure to be back for dinner with Peck. Control Center to International Space Station. We are now approaching. Calling Peck at the International Space Station. We are ready to dock the shuttle. In 3, 2, 1. Dock complete.
Hi, Peck. I need some gas.
Hey AyuFlyu, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Earth.
How's the weather on Earth?
Good?
How's everybody else doing?
Good?
And where are you gonna go after this?
And all other planets.
Let's head to our spaceship and let's take a tour of the...
Space! A-Y-A-A-N. Engine start. Zoom!
And the engines have started. We are about to leave the International Space Station with our friend.
Hey!
Let's now go on an adventure to see the planets of our solar system, starting with the first planet. AyuFlyu, what is that closest planet to the Sun?
Mercury.
AyuFlyu, can you tell Peck something interesting about Mercury?
Peck? So, did you know that Mercury is close to the Sun and he was super hot?
Wow, that is super interesting. Thanks for sharing, AyuFlyu.
And it's so small too.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Blast off!
AyuFlyu, can you tell us what your next destination is?
Venus,
An interesting fact about Venus is that it is...
hottest planet in our solar system.
Did you know Venus has a lot of volcanoes?
I'm not gonna go into them.
Oh, let's not go on volcanoes because...
They're gonna burn you.
And now let's go to AyuFlyu's favorite planet.
Mars!
AyuFlyu, did you know Mars is called the...
Red planet. Because it's so red.
Do you know why Mars is called the red planet?
No?
Because it has a lot of red rocks and sand dunes in it. And if you look at it from the telescope, it looks bright and shiny red.
And it's the closest planet to Earth.
There's a NASA rover on its way to Mars. And do you know what its mission is?
No?
It's collecting information about the red planet so we can go visit Mars soon.
Calling AyuFlyu. This is Control Center. Where are we headed to next, AyuFlyu?
Jupiter!
You know?
It's the largest planet. I already know that.
What else?
I also know that Jupiter is so giant.
Let me tell you another interesting fact about Jupiter. But first, can you tell me how many moons does the Earth have?
The Earth? It only has one moon.
And do you know how many moons does Jupiter have? It has 67 moons. Can you believe that?
That's a lot.
That really is a lot of moons.
Yeah, I know that Earth only has one.
Engines ready. We're off to our next planet, which is called...
Saturn. It has a bunch of rings.
What do they look like?
They look like they go around and round.
Wow. What are they made of?
They're made of ice. If you walk on them, you'll fall down because it's so slippery.
Let's head over to our next planet, which is called Uranus.
Uranus! I knew it!
AyuFlyu, Did you know Uranus is blue in color? And each season in Uranus is more than 20 years long. Now let's head to our last planet.
Neptune?
Yes, it is!
And Neptune has so much gas.
Neptune is the furthest planet from the sun. And do you know what Neptune's color is?
Yes, blue. Just like Uranus.
Now we have two planets that are blue. Do you know what Neptune is made of?
Hydrogen and helium.
Yes, you are right. It is made of hydrogen and helium.
Let's take a pop quiz. Question number 1. Why does Mars called a red planet? It's because it's red in color.
Question number 2.
What is the biggest giant planet? Jupiter. Because it's super giant. It's giant in size. And Mercury is the smallest, and it can go very, very fast.
What's next?
Why is Uranus and Neptune blue? Because Uranus has gas in it, so it's blue. Question number 4. Which planet do I live in? Is it A, Jupiter? Is it B, Uranus? Or is it C, the moon? Or is it D, the Mercury? Or is it F? Is it F, Earth? And the question is F. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoy, and make sure to press the red button that's right here. And see more of our videos.
AyuFlyu, this is Mission Control. You have successfully completed your mission to see the 8 planets of our solar system. You can now head home for dinner with Peck.